What's going on, YouTube? Thank y'all for tuning in to Model Car 1589. And it's me, Leon. And if y'all like building model cars that just like watching model car building channels, then thank you. It's Model Car 1589. And every model that I build, I gotta make it shine. 1589. It's Model Car 1589. And every model that I build, the color gotta be tied 1589. And make sure y'all go to mcvproducts.net and purchase y'all some 3D printing parts. Bring your model cars to life. And also go to Amazon/Master Builder. Get yourself a Master Builder today. And always remember, y'all, stay mild.
Believe, bam. You want to go this route with the Supercharger E8. If y'all want to go and purchase y'all one, let's get into this. Check this out. Look at that. Look at that. So, if I'm like going with this engine instead of the 442 on it, you know, I don't think it's gonna hurt the build. You know what I mean? But you know, y'all saw what I was looking at, so man, I believe.
also go to MCV Products and purchase y'all some 3D printed parts today. Bring your model cars to life. And also go to Amazon/Master Builder and get yourself a Master Builder today.